Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Press the WPS button on the device you wish to connect. Within 120 seconds, press the WPS button on the wireless router. Note, you will need to press and hold the WPS button on the wireless router for about 2 to 3 seconds. After a short period of time, your device and the wireless router will be connected.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Wi-Fi Protected Setup. Wi-Fi Protected Setup (WPS) is a feature supplied with many routers. It is designed to make the process of connecting to a secure wireless network from a computer or other device easier.
Take our lead.
If you encounter problems with the WPS setup such as connection failure, your client device failed to connect to the network, refer back to your client device for further instructions. Press OK to continue. You may manually configure your router's wireless settings.
Take our lead.
What the reset button does. The reset button restores your modem to its factory default settings. This also erases any customized settings you may have changed, including static IP address setup, DNS, personalized password, customized wireless settings, port forwarding, routing and DHCP settings.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.